Hello everyone, this is Prashant Mahajan from All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. This video deals with addressing modes of 8051 microcontroller. First we'll see the definition of the addressing mode. Addressing mode can be defined as the different ways or various ways in which you can specify the data. So in 8051 there are five addressing modes: immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, and indexed addressing mode. Before going to the details of these addressing modes, we need to know two terms. First is the opcode. Opcode is the operation to be performed. So, and second is the operand. And operand is the data on which the operation is performed. So, if we take an example, move a comma #09, move a is the opcode, that is the operation to be performed, and the data on which the operation is performed is 09. So this is the operand. First addressing mode is the immediate addressing mode, in which the data is a part of the instructions. So if you can see over here, move a comma #09, hash symbol indicates that the number written after hash symbol is a data. This instruction will copy this data 09 into accumulator. So if the data is a part of instruction, the addressing mode is called as immediate addressing mode. Second is the register addressing mode. In this addressing mode, accumulator, data pointer register, and R0 to R7 registers can be are used as a part of instruction. So move a comma R0, move a comma R1, those type of instructions in which all these registers are involved is called as register addressing mode. Next is the direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the address of the operand is specified by an 8-bit address field in the instruction. It means that the data, the address of the data is a part of instruction. Only internal RAM locations, lower 128 bytes, and SFR area can be directly addressed by this addressing mode. The examples are move R2 comma, it should have been E0. So what this instruction will do is the contents of E0H will be copied to R2. Hash should not have been over here. Hash will indicate it's an immediate addressing mode. Similarly, move 03H, 02H, contents of a memory location 02H will be copied to 03H. So this is as far as the direct addressing mode is concerned. Indirect addressing mode, uh, the registers which are used for indirect addressing mode are R0, data pointer register, program counter, and R1. So in indirect addressing mode, the instruction specifies a register which contains the address of the operand, and this register acts as a pointer register. So for example, if I write down an equation, if I write down an instruction move at R1 comma A, the contents of accumulator will be copied to a memory location pointed by R1. So R1 will point to a memory location. It will contain an address, and the contents of accumulator will be placed at that particular address. Similarly, move X A comma at DPTR will copy the contents of a memory location pointed by DPTR in external data memory to accumulator. So this is indirect addressing mode. The last addressing mode is an indexed addressing mode. Only program memory can be accessed with this addressing mode. A 16-bit base register, either data pointer register or program counter, points to the base address, and the accumulator is set to an offset value. The actual address is calculated by adding contents of accumulator and the base register. So the example is move CA comma at A plus dptr. So the contents of a memory location which is found by adding accumulator and data pointer register, the contents of that memory location in program memory are copied to accumulator. So this is an index addressing mode. So these are the 6 addressing modes in 8051. Thank you.